Above the country list, you'll see a few more tabs: Locations, Static IP, MultiHop, and Dedicated IP. Locations is the one we just used, and that's probably what you'll use the majority of the time. The other three are special server types. Let's see what each one does. Static IP gives you the same address every time you connect. Normally, your address changes each time, and some sites, like your bank, can flag your account when it keeps changing. A static IP avoids that. Just pick one from the list, and hitting the star will save it to the very top. MultiHop sends your connection through two countries instead of one after the other, which makes it even harder to trace back to you. You can pick one of these ready-made pairs, or click Create Connection, and you can build your own by choosing an entry country and then an exit country. Then you can connect, or go back to view the list. And Dedicated IP is the one that we saw at signup, an address that's yours alone instead of one that's shared with other people. It's a paid add-on, so if you ever want it, click Learn More, and it opens a page in your browser where you can add it to your plan. But for almost everyone, the regular Locations tab is all you'll ever need, so don't worry if those other three don't apply to you. And if you've only been following along so far and haven't signed up yet, remember to use the first link in the description to get the best available deal on Surfshark.